Inquire before you wire. That's my message today. A lot of people are closing on homes and they're using a wire transfer to send their money into the title company. And that's fine. It's a great way to make sure your money makes it there. However, wire fraud is increasing almost daily. And so you have to be really, really careful out there when it comes to this. First thing I would recommend is always call to verify. In other words, I would call the title company and speak to the escrow officer. Make sure you have the correct wiring instructions before you enact your wire. Secondly, be suspicious of any changes to those wiring instructions throughout the process, because that is not a common practice at all. In other words, title companies, they'll give you your wiring instructions and that's it. They don't change throughout the process. So if you get an email or a call that says, oh, by the way, we've changed your wiring instructions, here are the new wiring instructions, that's something to be very suspicious of. Lastly, when you do ultimately send your wire, make sure and verify with the title company immediately that you've sent it, and for them to acknowledge receipt so that you know it made it there safely. If for any reason it doesn't show up that same day, you can contact your bank and hopefully still be covered. And if all else fails, just do a good old-fashioned cashier's check. That works just as well. I hope you found this information helpful, and if there's anything we can ever do for you, just give us a call. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.